I wasn't present for 5 days, and this is what got done.
Yep.
Men.
Not being...
That's really not being very Gay Farrell productive. So we're in the Portillo's drive-thru, and if I was president, you have room on this side. You have like a foot.
Either run over the cone.
If I was president, I would make it mandatory for
drive-throughs to be 12 foot wide.
Yes.
One lane. Each lane has to be 12 foot.
Yes.
Because
lifted truck friendly drive-thrus.
I shave off like 5 years of my life whenever I drive through a drive-through.
So in one of my last videos, I tried riding this down a hill, and Gabe thinks he can do it.
Oh, I know I can do it.
So, never mind. Savannah's wheels are here. Let's go.
I think I'm more excited than she is.
They're here. I saw it come around the corner, and I was like, wait. We were gonna try to get Gabe to go down the hill on the
rolly thing.
I saw you guys doing something, and I was like, what are they doing?
Savannah.
Oh.
We can literally just set them by the truck.
Okay. Yeah.
We're gonna be putting
You have gotten brand new wheels. You've gotten brand new wheels. I have never gotten brand. I've only gotten brand new tires.
And you're the big baller.
I know. What the heck?
Ooh.
Oh boy.
Okay.
They look like.
I feel like it's Christmas.
Right? I've been waiting for these.
Oh boy.
Oh goodness.
Nice. Oh, they're light. Oh, wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Those are actually really
Nice.
sick.
Nice.
They aren't spiked, but I actually prefer these over mine
Yeah.
because they're not cheap.
They're fucking stuck. I got it.
Oh god, your jack is rolling.
Hold on, go get my key inside.
Where's it at on the thing? I don't know which one it is. Is it these? And nothing could go wrong.
Let's compare and contrast.
Compare and contrast. Thick. Thick.
I'm not used to doing tiny tires. I used to
I
like.
know. We're used to having to like lug around 46s. I wonder why.
I'm gonna go ask Gene. Yay.
Get her done.
I'm so proud. Many more wheels and tires to come.
I have actually not ridden in Savannah's truck yet. I've sat in it, but have not ridden in it. Savannah completely detailed this thing. it was dirty. Gabe's super excited. He's having like a proud dad moment. It's even got these. Wow. Gabe's driving her truck on the new wheels before she is.
A lot different than my truck.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it's so weird you can't hear it. It's smooth though. Holy shit. The clutch is like, it grabs it like the last second. I actually do not mind this.
Okay, now we're gonna wash it and then we're gonna film and edit for you guys.
Oh my god, I'm
Roxa on the beat.
what Savannah's truck looks like with the new wheels on. We all kind of think it like transformed the truck a little bit. It's one of the first things we've done to it, and it already looks so much better. And also, if you guys did notice, we took off the red visor. We all hated it. So, but yeah, we're gonna be doing a lot with this. It's gonna be a show truck. You, go over there and tell them about your truck.
It's a 92 1500 Chevy Cheyenne.
Her first truck she's ever had is a manual. I could never.
We drove it 3 times.
She was learning, I told you guys in one of my last videos, stop barking. So yeah, Savannah learned how to drive manual in this truck, and then the tires popped, which kind of led us to being like, Savannah, send it, get some wheels, and then you'll be on your way to making this thing pretty mint. Gabe, you're pretty much sponsored by Custom Offsets, who gave us a deal on these wheels, so be their spokesperson.
Alright guys, these are some wicked wheel 20x10s wrapped in some meaty freaking smooth race truck tires. I forget what brand they are. They're Cooper.
Yeah.
Cooper Discovery 275/45 R20 tires. They're smooth as hell. Like, I drove this on the road low key, me and Savannah might have to trade because this is way better to drive than my trucks.
Pretty nice.
So Savannah isn't like us. She doesn't like to stack 3 different kind of 4 to 5 inch spacers. You know, like 2 feet of spacers, which actually wouldn't look bad.
She'll send it like us one day.
Like just have the whole wheel sticking out right here. That'd be sick.
Oh yeah, Savannah, that's where it's supposed to be.
But these are pretty sick.
Yes,
A little bit
I
of
like them
stance.
very much. Yeah. Alright, so that is the end of the video. If you guys have any suggestions or ideas for Savannah's truck, comment down below. She's probably going to be in the comment section. I'm going to put Savannah's Instagram right here probably, so you guys can go follow her. I tag her on my Instagram all the time. You can find her on there too. Yeah, weep weep.